This is Dustin Bailey's recording of why the fuck we did not make it into work today. That is Clifton. That is Ben Bigley. And Dustin Love. I am Dustin Bailey. This is everybody the fuck else who ain't making it wherever the fuck they are going.
Hey, hold up. Let's get a time on this clock. Hold up. Hey, 2:57. Oh, text message.
2:57 and a text message. What? Can you see the phone? It's a four-wheeler.
Can you see the time? We are fucked.
I'm having a heat stroke is why I'm talking like this. We're walking to the scene of the accident now. There it is.